All right, welcome to this explainer. Think of our time today as a critical strategic briefing. We're going to look at the immense professional and operational value of merging artificial intelligence with robotics in modern manufacturing. Look, as leaders, you hear these buzzwords literally every day, but understanding how they fundamentally intersect, that is exactly what's going to separate the industry leaders from the laggards over the next decade. Because this isn't just about upgrading your tech. It's about future-proofing your supply chains, tackling those chronic labor shortages head-on, and driving compounding ROI. We're going to break down exactly how this combo drives immediate operational efficiency as well as some massive long-term innovation gains.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with the automation paradigm shift, then define our core technologies, look at the synergy of brain meeting body, explore some operational efficiency in action, and finish up with long-term innovation gains. Let's get right to it.
Section 1. The Automation Paradigm Shift, from rigid to responsive.
To really grasp where we're headed, we gotta look at how the landscape on your factory floors is completely shifting. For literally decades, we've had robots building things, right? But historically, these were, well, let's call them what they are, dumb robots under legacy automation. They were rigidly programmed to pick something up, screw a part in, maybe slap a wheel onto a car or spray paint a chassis. They were super effective at repetitive tasks, but they couldn't actually make intelligent decisions. And for your business, rigid robots mean expensive downtime the second a product line changes. Now, the new frontier, that shifts us entirely to smart robots. Today, we're equipping these machines with sensors and cameras that act as their eyes. This gives them genuine situational awareness so they can make autonomous decisions on the fly. It's a game changer because it means your factories can pivot operations without massive reprogramming costs.
Section 2. Defining the core technologies. Clearing the overlap.
Let's start with artificial intelligence. This is crucial for clearing up some common C-suite misconceptions because AI is entirely an area of computer science. It's fundamentally about data science and software algorithms. It's the development of computer programs that are literally capable of learning by themselves. You either feed them huge data sets to learn from, or you use sensor inputs to help the algorithms learn autonomously. It is purely the software side of the equation. So for your operations, AI means predictive analytics, dynamic problem solving, and processing vast amounts of factory floor data in milliseconds.
Robotics, on the other hand, that is strictly a field of engineering focused on the physical world. It's all about building and operating the mechanical tools that actually perform the tasks. So it's entirely the hardware, the physical engineering, and the mechanics of motion.
Now, what's really interesting about this when you put them side by side is just how stark the distinction is. AI is your computer science, your data, your software. Robotics is your engineering, your mechanical tools, your hardware. They are completely distinct fields, and understanding that stark contrast is absolutely vital before we look at the massive value that's generated when these two fields finally converge.
Section 3. Synergy, brain meets body.
I really want to anchor our entire strategic briefing on this one central analogy. The robot is the body, and the artificial intelligence is the brain. When you add AI into the robotics equation, suddenly, boom, you have an artificially intelligent robot. And this specific combo is exactly where all the major recent advances have come from. Think about an autonomous drone, right? The drone itself is the physical robot, but the AI is the brain making it fly autonomously. We see the exact same thing in self-driving cars. Combining the mechanical body with the software brain is the key. And just like a self-driving car can navigate completely unpredictable traffic, a brained robot on your factory floor can navigate unpredictable supply chain variations without missing a single beat.
Section 4. Operational Efficiency in Action, the Raspberry Test. Let's move out of theory for a second. Think about a really complex, highly variable environment, like harvesting delicate fruit. In the past, picking raspberries would have been considered entirely impossible for a robot. Every single bush looks completely different. The location of every single berry is unique. Because of that insane variability and the fact that you have to gently pick the fruit without destroying it, the consensus was that you absolutely needed a human's natural dexterity to do the job. Rigid legacy automation just couldn't handle it at all.
But here is how the synergy of AI and robotics completely solves the impossible. First up, machine vision. The camera acts as the eyes to intelligently detect exactly where the raspberries are. Second, a robotic arm packed with sensors navigates the unique, totally unpredictable environment of the bush. And third, it executes gentle handling. It picks the raspberry perfectly so as not to push it too hard or crush it. This level of autonomous finesse means you can finally automate highly complex variable tasks that previously drove your labor costs through the roof.
Section 5. Long-term innovation gains, compounding value.
So, the crucial point here, and this is where things get incredibly exciting for your future operations, is understanding a capability known as reinforcement learning. This is the absolute latest evolution of combining AI and robotics. Instead of just feeding a machine static data, you let the machine learn by experience. It's remarkably similar to how a toddler learns to speak or to walk. For you, the executive, this means your initial capital expenditure isn't just buying a static machine. You are buying an asset that literally gets better at its job every single day, without you paying a dime for software updates.
Let's walk through how this self-perpetuating learning cycle actually works, using the example of a robot learning to walk. The robot takes an action in its environment. It attempts a step. It immediately experiences success or failure. It either stays upright or it falls over. But here is the magic. It registers that experience. It logs the failures as boundaries and the successful steps as wins, and then it autonomously uses that exact data to improve its very next action.
What this creates is an incredible self-perpetuating learning cycle. Because these machines learn through trial, error, and reinforcement, your factory floor literally gets smarter every single day. That is the ultimate competitive advantage. While your competitors are stuck dealing with depreciating assets, your production lines are compounding in value and efficiency. Your operational efficiency doesn't just plateau the day the tech is installed, it continuously optimizes itself over time.
Well, that brings us to the end of our explainer. AI is the software program that learns. Robotics is the hardware machine that moves. But combined, they allow you to achieve truly amazing things in your operations. So as we look ahead to the future of manufacturing, I want to leave you with this provocative final thought to evaluate your own operational strategies. Is your company's body currently operating without a brain? Thanks so much for joining me.